I'm Gloria Arjona. I invite you to discover the vibrant heritage of Mexican and Latin American cultures through multimedia presentations that blend history, music, and storytelling.
Me agarra la bruja, me lleva a su casa, me vuelve maceta y una calabaza. Escóndete, Juana, escóndete.
This fall, join me in celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month and Day of the Dead with unforgettable experiences for audiences of all ages. Explore the powerful stories of the soldaderas, the brave women of the Mexican Revolution.
Y una joven que valiente lo seguía, locamente enamorada del sargento.
Step into the world of Frida Kahlo and discover the music that shaped her art. And celebrate Day of the Dead with poetry, stories, and live music that honor this beautiful tradition. My programs are fully customizable. You can choose live music, visual storytelling, or interactive sessions designed for children, teens, or adults. It is an honor to share these stories that connect us to our roots and inspire us today. I look forward to collaborating with you.